Hi guys, I'm so excited to be sharing our newest product, which is Super Loaded Tinted Highlight in Peau de Soleil. It's a beautiful, warm bronze gold. It's so nice on the skin, super complimentary. I'm getting ready to go to my friends tonight, so I'm gonna pop on a little bit of Peau de Soleil, and I'm using my blender brush. I just kind of follow my cheekbone and go upward. Super diverse, works on so many skin types, skin colors, really easy, gives you warmth, gives you luminosity, gives you really nice shape. And it works any time of year, especially when you want to have extra golden glow. Can work on the eyes, on the cheeks. Hope it doesn't start raining. All right, can't wait for you to try. Smells delicious.